Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that the perimeter of a rectangle is 60 meter and they give me that the length of the longer side of this particular playground, rectangular playground is X. So if I were to do a rough sketch, right? Then the length will be X and the perimeter is 60 meter. So what's the length of the shorter side here in terms of X? Yep. So the length of the shorter side will be equals to 60 minus X minus X. And after that, I will need to divide by, yep, 2. Okay. So this one will be equals to 30. Let me just create some space. So this one will be equals to 60 minus 2x over 2. And because I can take out 2 as the common factor, for the numerator, and eventually you will see that I can divide off the 2 and left with 30 minus x. So this will be the shorter side. The area is 216 meters square. Write an equation in x to represent this and then reduce it to x squared minus 30x plus 216 equals to 0. So now that I know that this is 30 minus x, so the area will be 30 minus x. I also need to times x, and this is the area, and they tell me the area is 216. Okay, now that we have formed the equation, we will just need to expand and simplify. I will have 30x minus x squared equals to 216, and I would like to minus away 216 on both sides to make it equals to 0. And I will want to multiply by negative 1 throughout, so that I will have a positive x squared, negative 30x, positive 216 equals to 0. And I have shown this. Now is to solve it, because for part C, then we will have to solve it and find the shorter length, which is 30 minus x. So I need to know the value of x, right? So I'm going to just have this oval and solve this equation. So let's start solving. Since I already have one side equals to 0, I would then have to factorize. Okay, and when you factorize this particular expression on the left side, you will get x 12 and 18. Negative, negative. And after you factorize, we apply the 0 property. Meaning one of the factor must be equal to 0. And after which, please solve the equation. So I'm going to add 18 on both sides here. That will give me x is equals to 18, or x is equals to 12. And now that I have the values of x, I need to consider which can be the answer. And when I go back to the question, what did they tell us? They tell us x must be the longer side. That means this is actually the longer side. And so the length of the shorter side in this case, the length of the shorter side, which is 30 minus 12, 30 minus x, sorry. So it will be 30 minus the longer side, and I will get 12 cm. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.